No time for fake ones. Just such a crystal with these real ones. From east to west coast, spread love, son. And while you keep talking, wish me count bank funds. Let's go.
I'm Mama, Miss Savannah. Usually rock the
Hi there, Geanie Beans. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we have an unboxing for you, girl. Yes, we do. Today's unboxing is going to be with no other than Savage x Fenty. Yes, I decided to go ahead and jump on the bandwagon, the YouTube bandwagon. I was like, you know what? I'm seeing so many reviews about this and I love Miss Fenty Robin. And, you know, I was like, okay, clickety click, 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 drop it in a bag. So just a little bit of background. Usually when it comes to lingerie or anything, you know, in my mind, I think, you know, I'm sort of kind of bougie, but I'm bougetto. You know what I'm saying? I want to be bougie, but I still have a budget and whatnot. Like, honestly, if I could have it my way, I would shop at like a Victoria's Secret. But that shit is expensive as fuck. And bitch don't got $50 for no fucking bra. Like, I'm sorry, I don't. My ass usually ends up, you know, getting the packs, the Hanes, you know, the grandma underwear. You don't want to be wearing sexy underwear anyways, you know, that time of the month. You know, some basic ass bras. Shit. You can kind of tell. I haven't really been big on undergarments. I'm the type, I wear mismatch. Who am I matching my shit for? As long as I got some underwears and a bra on, I'm straight. Sometimes you go commando too, not even giving a fuck. But that's on another note. So I decided to go ahead and try it because I do want to get my collection up with bras and panties and, you know, just feel sexy or whatever for me, because you know a girl is single. Yeah. And kind of like see the quality. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it, so I just wanted to go ahead and try my luck with it. So being that this is my first kind of like encounter with it, I know it's gonna be good, but still it's my first time, so I'm just gonna be as blunt as possible. And yeah, let's go ahead and get on to it and see what I got. Now I am gonna let you guys know that I only got like 4 items, which is like 2 sets. And that's only because, one, I wasn't about to break the bank just to do a haul. I really want to see how this fits on me, how the material feels and all that. So I went for the sale that they have going on for right now. 2 bras for bras and bralettes for $29. And then I added the matching bottoms to that, you know, so that, and I think one bottom was like $7 and the other one was like $12. So altogether it came to like $48, which is not bad for 2 sets. Like I said before, you go to some place like Victoria's Secret with that kind of quality, you're paying $50 just for 1 bra. So I really appreciated that. And for those who don't know, this company is actually the same company that does Shoe Dazzle. So that I am an affiliate of. I will leave the link down below. But for this is totally me. I don't have any type of link to share with you or anything like that. I'm really just opening up the package and trying it on and showing you guys and seeing how it looks out. So I know y'all ready. You're like, shut the fuck up and just put this shit on already. Hello. We just want to see it. So what did you get, bitch? We don't care if you only got 4 things. Just show us what the fuck you got and get off the motherfucking screen. Do, 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 do. Ooh, my paper fell out the box. I really love the packaging, you guys. Like, that is so, it's so dainty, bitch. Oh, look, my nails barely match. Okay, it doesn't say what prices each one was, but that's okay. Like, I know one bra was like 19 and then the other one was whatever to equal to 29. Looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh, girl. So the first item I have is a bralette that a lot of people have been seeing. This one is called Lovebird, and I got it in a size 2X. So let's take it out of the bag. I just feel like a little kid on Christmas. So cute, the little detailing, Fenty. Yes, I'm gonna keep that forever, bitch. Okay, and it has a nice little like plastic protector inside. So I like that. Extra sanitary. So automatically it says on the side. So if you try this on, I would suggest trying it on before you rip any tags off, because this tag says this hand tag and care label must be attached for all returns and exchanges. So just keep in mind that when you try it on, to keep that on. Me, I don't give a fuck. I'm taking it off. My light went off because my ring light is kind of on the cheaper side, and so when it overheats, it just goes off. Anyway, let me get through this. Tag is it's really nice. It has all the labeling on there. It says 2X. So already I like the feel. It looks like I'm gonna get good support on this. So I'm gonna try this on and see how it feels. I like it though. For a 2X, it looks really nice. The lacing is very nice. The pink lacing. I like it. And I believe that this piece actually came out Lovebird. Is that what I said this was? This design, Lovebird, actually came out for June. So this is current. This is actually very current. It just basically dropped. And then of course, I got the matching panty. And I just got everything in the 2X because I'm basically, I be saying I'm a 16, but I'm not, girl. So this is the panty. Ooh. We have entered a day and age where it's okay to show your undergarments online. Ain't there some shit? This looks nice though. I like this. I love the feel of it. It's still not gonna be enough for my butt though. My butt gonna eat that up. That is the first piece. Yay! We are going to try that on. And then for my next piece, now I'm really eager to see how this works out, because for the longest time I've always got the wrong size, and I think we all do that as women sometimes when we really don't know what we are. So one time I did go to Victoria's Secret and I had them measure me, and I was a 40D. So I just go with that now. I don't know if I'm gonna have spillage, if it's gonna be different, if it's gonna be right on point, but I got green leopard. Now I've seen this one a lot, and green is my favorite color, bitch. Okay. Now I also saw the one that kind of is almost like a tube, like it goes straight across, but I'm so thick that I hate that kind of like when your titties is sweating like under the tit. I hate that. So it's like I want some type of, you know, cushion under there. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know. Hopefully it fits. This looks like it's really gonna push my juggers up. I don't know. Is this the right size? Girl, I'm nervous. US 40D. Yes, it's a 40D, bitch. Trust Rihanna. Just trust her. This is the detailing, and this is the green leopard. I really like it. This is the back, and it has like rose gold detailing, which is so cute. I might keep the tag on this one because I'm scared. Like, bitch, I'm scared. I really like the accent bows and all of that. Like, it's really cute. I can't wait to see how this looks on me. So we're gonna put that to the side. And of course we have the matching bottom. Just rip it open. Okay, again with that protective, I like that. Once I try these on and I really see how these are, I'm definitely going to, oh, this one has more of a stretch to it, and it's like a silky material. Ooh, this is nice. I like that. Yes, girl. Yes, Riri. Give it to me, girl. That looks really nice. I'm gonna try these on and let's see how they look on me. First piece was hard to get in, girl, because it's lace. It doesn't stretch. I was fine with the panties, but the top was a little, honestly, I should have got a 3X. But like, I'm trying to get on this weight loss journey anyway, so bitch is going to lose the pounds so I can fit into it a little bit more comfortably. But I do love the material. I like how it felt. Love the panties. I thought the panties were like perfect, because I kind of like panties that come up so that, you know, I can kind of just cover up that my fupa. And then with this one, girl, I feel so sexy in this one. I love the green leopard. Out of the two, the green leopard definitely is my favorite. It's like a satiny feel, and yeah, it just makes me feel sexy. I really like it a lot. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to fit in this, but I just kind of barely do. I probably could have did a little bit more cuppage because I'm spilling a little bit on the side, but honestly, that's mostly like fat. My cup is actually like in there, but my boobies is weird anyway. They do whatever they want to do, so it really don't even count, honestly. I'm satisfied. I feel secure. Like, I'm not going anywhere in this. And again, the bottoms, you know, I actually feel, you know, confident. It's not easy to get on here, you know, show the whole world what you're working with, but I'll do it for Rihanna, bitch. Bitch, I'm wearing Fenty right now. That pro filter. It's good quality, and I like it. It works just like Shoe Dazzle does, and that's one of the reasons why I went ahead and did it, because I was like, okay, if I don't want to pay for it this month, I can always skip the month, but I have to do it by the 5th. So always put an alert or alarm on your phone to remind yourself, you know, okay, I don't want my card charged $49 this month, or I do want my card charged $49 this month. And they have like a mystery box like every month that's equal to that amount. So if you want to spend that on that, you can do that. If you want to skip it, you can do that. So girl, Robin, I'm gonna let you through, girl. You know I'm gonna let you through. You knew I was gonna let you through. You knew I was gonna let you through. I'm actually gonna get more pieces and try it on for you, because I think this was fun. Like, I felt sexy, girl. I felt sexy. You know, I started off light. You know, it wasn't a lot. It wasn't a huge haul. Ain't none of y'all giving me money. But I am happy that I went ahead and became a member. And yeah, y'all gonna have to give me my little coupon code. Yeah, but I love it, y'all. I'm slaying. I'm not taking this makeup off either. Bitch, what? Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and my rolls and all of that just luscious beautifulness on camera. And don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe because you know that you want to, not because you feel like you have to. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
You ain't got the answers. You ain't got the answers, Sway. I've been doing this more than you.
I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. Go fuck what you say. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay.